Mheshimiwa, what is, because now you are MP-elect for Kibra constituency, what is your message for the people of Kibra?
I want to appreciate all the people of Kibra for having faith in me. They have given me the mandate to exercise my democratic right on their behalf. I want to thank the ODM party and the ODM party leader, who is also now the Azimio party leader, the fifth president of this country, Mheshimiwa Honorable Engineer Raila Amolo Odinga, for having faith in me to have given me the ticket of Kibra constituency so that I represent the people of Kibra. I want to bring my knowledge, skills, and the ability to serve the Kibra people and to ensure that the policies and the aspirations of the Kenyan people are met. I want to thank everyone else. I want to thank my family for standing with me in this all this period. And I want to say that it has been the campaigns have been grueling but very peaceful. I also want to urge all the Kenyans to remain peaceful as we wait for the announcement of the fifth president of this country.
And how important is it that you are a teacher in this school and now you're being announced as the MP for Kibra in this same institution?
That is what always now fits. God's time is always the best time. I was a principal here for almost 10 years. This school is in Kibra constituency. But also, I have served in other schools like Langata, which is also in Kibra constituency. I think this is also one of the factors that has made me reach where I am, because I've been interacting with the Kibra constituency. But I was also bred and raised around this area. So I'm part and parcel of Kibra constituency.
Thank you very much.
Ramogi mana Kaka unene no ero mano mor kachiel koda ilo mar Jaloch e kar chung'od bura ma Kibra kama Orero mane ochung' kod otiko mar ODM ema bende koro landi kaka Jaloch mar kar chung'od bura no ero. Nyako Ramogi bende wabiro paro ni mano en tielo mokwongo ma Orero biro bedo jaod bura mar Kibra e kinde mokalo, kata jaod bura masani ma bende koro dhi weyo telo en Imran Okoth ma bende ne okawo telo tok ng'elo rengo mar owadgi Ken Okoth. Imran ema yande en jaod bura tok kane